Do you have a weak flushing or stopped up toilet? Well, stick around. I'm gonna show you how to figure out what the problem is, do it yourself, and save you a lot of money. Let's go. Before we get started, don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and bell notification for the latest HE content. And also, because I know your time is valuable, I made sure to put the topics in the description below so that you can go directly to the topics you want to know a little bit more about. So let's get started. All right, so here it is. Here's the big boy. You know, I didn't want to do it, but they made me do it. I actually rented this from Home Depot. So this is a drain cleaner, a drainage cleaner. So in our case, this is a drainage cleaner for the sewer line. So what we have to do now is use this drainage cleaning machine to try to clear the drain out. And I call it a snake because this thing right here comes out and it's 50 foot, it's a 50-foot line. So I have 50 feet to go down into the drainage pipe and try to clear out anything that may be clogging it up and keeping it from flowing out. So what I wanted to do was go down the main line outside instead of having to take out the toilet, because I really didn't want to take out the toilet. I thought that was going to be the best way for me to do it, but after I talked to the people at the store, they were pretty much convincing me that the best way to do it is remove the toilet and then go down through the pipe and push it out. All right, let's get it. And the way this works is you take this and you just step on it. And when you step on it, it releases the snake, and it's going to just start shaking and going down the drain, down the pipe. All right, let's get started. Going down. But before we do, let's make sure on top of the latex gloves we have on, we're gonna put on these gloves because it might get a little messy, and I'm almost for sure it will. So this just adds another layer of protection. I would suggest definitely purchasing some cheap ones, probably like $5 gloves like this. I've seen them. I purchased some also at Home Depot. If you have a Lowe's or whatever hardware store, you can find them. Find something cheap though, because you want to throw these away after you get done. All right, so this is the machine we're going to use. Hopefully you can see it. And this is the device that we're going to step on. So we're going to pull it out a little bit. All right, we pulled it out. Hopefully you can see. I'm going to stick it down the drain. Or stick it down the pipe. All right, so it looks like it goes that way. So what we want to do is guide it. Let me get down here. So we want to guide it to while it's going down. And so we're going to press this little button and help guide it down while we're doing that. All right, let's go. Getting messy now because it's getting stuck on something. It's getting messy. Getting stuck on something. That's where it's at, right there. I can tell because it's the water's starting to go down a little bit, but it's still not moving. start on this floor. It's stuck right there. Okay, there you go. It's starting to drain a little bit. I'm basically pulling it in and pulling it out. There we go. Got it. We got it. It's all the way down there, the water. Let me show you. I don't know if you remember the water that's all the way at the top. Now it's like all the way. It's gone. And I seen it when it drained down. So we unclogged that spot. But what I'm gonna do is keep going further. Even though I feel like I unclogged the pipe, I do still want to go further since I still have some snake left. And just in case there may be some other clogs down the pipeline. All right, so let's do that and see how that rolls. So we're done. We're done with the snake. I'm going to wind it back up, pull it back out. In order to do that, I'm going to manually pull it out. I'm going to lay this machine to the side, to his back, or on his back, and pull it back out 1 inch at a time. All right, now we're at the end. I'm just trying to get this, whatever this is at the end of this. I don't know if you can see it, but I knocked some stuff out, look like some tissue. Could be some wipes, I don't know. The main thing is just having the right tool, and that's it. And that's all you really need, the right tool and the time to do it. You can save big money, because I promise you, them plumbers are gonna charge you an arm and a leg. You feel me? All right.